Hello folks, today we have a BMW 3 Series which belongs to a mate of mine, and he loves the car. Little problem is it hasn't got Bluetooth audio. It's got Bluetooth but not Bluetooth audio. So we've coded this car now to take Bluetooth audio. As you can see, my phone's in. Just click on that, brings up track data. I can now start the tracks again, use the iDrive, steering controls, and we even get some data in the cluster. So really cool. First one for us this way. I think we'll be doing a lot more. Works as factory, well, is factory. If interested, contact Bmw Audioconcepts, or our website is audioconcepts.co.uk. Telephone number 02 920 707 275. Ask for Wes. Thank you.